Hi and welcome back, folks, to another episode of Fish Meat for Dinner. Today I'm going to be doing a detailed review of the 13 Fishing Black Betty. It's the 6061 edition. It is not the free fall version. Well, technically, yeah, but it doesn't have the trigger. So we're going to be doing a review on it. I'm in my ice shack right now, as you can tell. The first thing I will say is I love how the reel is all metal. Like, the whole thing is made out of metal, besides like the little button parts, obviously. But the whole thing's made out of metal, and what that is really nice for is that when it gets like really cold, and say you're like in a rush or something, or this falls on the ground, if it was plastic, it'd probably have a good chance of like chipping, cracking, like even breaking. And this reel is about $90. So I'm pretty sure if you invest $90 in a fishing reel, you want it to be pretty high quality. So I like that, as well as it kind of gives you some weight. That way you can, like, it's kind of nice to have weight sometimes, so that it just feels nice in your hand and you have something there to work with. Versus if it's super light, you're just going to be like jigging the crap out of it. But the other thing I like is that it has two real, I don't even know what you'd call that, honestly. It's got two reel knobs. That's the word I'm looking for. So it has two reel knobs, and I know like the clam gravity free fall or whatever they call it only has one. I like this because say you're jigging for bluegill and all of a sudden you get one and you go right away. With the clam one, you have half the chance of actually grabbing the handle because there's one less of them there. As well as I just like how it kind of like balances it out a little bit better, and overall I think it looks better, and it's similar to a bait casting reel. So if you're like me and you fish in the summer a lot too, it's not much of a change then, compared to just having kind of like a spinning reel one on the clam gravity. And second of all, they got these knobs here that are really nice for adjusting your the rate of fall when you let it out. And to let it out, you press this little button right here and it clicks in, and then you're able to pull it out or just let it free fall depending on your setting. To engage it, you just go forward. They got a nice metal drag system here that's, I'm not sure what the poundage is that it can hold, but it seems pretty darn sturdy. So one thing that I can definitely say about this reel is it's one of the most durable and like reliable and sturdy reels that I've ever purchased for ice fishing. And I've had this thing for 2 years now, and it looks great. There's no scratches or like dings on it, so it stays in really good shape and it looks cool. You can polish it up. And one thing I also really like about it is the little saying they have on the side that says "make your own luck," and I think it looks really cool, as well as kind of inspiring you to do a little bit better. So then you also have a little button here that I believe is a clicker. So it's a clicker, so if you want to like dead stick or something, I wouldn't dead stick with this because it's $90 and that goes down the hole. You're probably gonna be kind of pissed off. But that's that. It does have like a pretty nice seated, I guess, reel seat enabler thingamabob. So it'll sit in your rod seat pretty good, and it's really sturdy. Like, that is not going anywhere. You're not going to get any wiggle or nothing. Another nice thing is you can set it down on the ice, and it kind of just sits there because it's got this like angled piece of metal right here, and so it kind of just perches up on the ice like that, and that way you're not getting as much snow and stuff up in your actual reel. The only thing I do not like about this reel is that I wish they would have made a little guard piece that comes off right here, because every once in a while the line will come off like this and it will start actually weaving its way around the drag system right here, or the tensioner for taking the reel off, and it'll like start, reel. I'll actually show you. It will reel and it will start putting it on there, and then it gets all tangled up, and it's kind of a pain in the butt, especially if you're really cracking on bluegill or something and you're reeling really fast to get them up out the hole. It kind of puts a dent in your fishability, and also it's just very annoying. So that's one thing. That's the only thing I don't like about this reel. I wish they would have made like a little guard thing so that the line doesn't go over here. But other than that, it's a great reel. It's super duper durable. I highly recommend it. I don't have experience with the ones with the triggers besides my clam gravity, but I think this is a great reel, especially for beginners, because it's got basically every feature that you could imagine. And it's, to be honest, it's not that expensive. It's $90 for this, and it's lasted me 2 years. It's got great system. I've never even like oiled it or anything, so you don't have to do much maintenance on these things. And 13 company takes care of people. I've stood by them with all my spinning reels and multiple spinning rods. I haven't owned any of their bait casting stuff, but I have a couple of these now, and I've never had any issues. If I did have an issue, there's a way that I can contact them, and I believe there's a 1-year warranty on these when you buy them as well. So that's really nice. You know that you're dealing with a really good company, and you're also dealing with a very good product, and that they care about their customers. So overall, I'll give this reel about a 9 out of 10. Could be a little bit better with that little line guard there that I was talking about, but overall is very good reel. Gets the job done, and I like it. So you can find them for $90. I'll put the link in the description where you can buy these. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you like my little detailed review here. Let me know if you'd like me to review any other products, because I'm always buying fishing stuff. I'm kind of addicted to buying fishing stuff, so give me ideas in the comments below. Thank you guys very much for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next episode of Fish Meat for Dinner. Peace. I'm gonna do me some fishing now, if we catch a fish on it.